Hello, my sweet YouTube channel family members and my sweet friends. Hope all of you are fine and you and yours are doing great. Everything is well at your end and you're enjoying good, healthy food, organic, pure food, following my recipes, and also improving yourself professionally by getting free online HRD trainings on this channel. Well, all those who are not our family members yet, please become our family members. We welcome you all, and the recipe is to click the subscribe button. So do that very quickly, because today I have brought you the recipe, a recipe that has only 2 ingredients in it. You have dates with you, and you have fresh cream with you, and you have this recipe in your hands. Only 2 ingredients and a fabulous dessert. It's Dates Delight, and it's my own recipe. I invented it, and it's so nice. You will really like it. Whoever has tasted it at my place, my guests or other people who have tasted it, they really liked it a lot. Everybody liked it, and it's very simple and it's very healthy. Even those people who are diabetic can take it, because there is just no sugar in it, and it's very healthy for kids, it's very healthy for grown-ups. It's full of fructose, of course, but no sugar at all. So let's discuss how we are going to make this Dates Delight. Before that, do subscribe to the channel, okay? And now let's go to my kitchen. Let's make Dates Delight. Just as I told you, only 2 ingredients. Half a kg of dates I've taken, and I have almost 3 to 4 cups of fresh cream. Okay, this is fresh cream, fresh milk cream, pure cream that I have with me, and I have half a kg of dates with me. This is it. These are the ingredients we need for this fabulous recipe. And this is one more thing that we need: a hand whipper. Okay, even if you don't have it, that doesn't matter. You can use a fork. That is it. All you need will be a fork, but you will have to put in some extra effort to keep whipping with your hand, of course, if you're using a fork. So this is a simple hand machine that I have with me, and it's a whipper, and I'm going to use it to make this recipe, and I'll just tell you how. So you see, my cream is cold. I've taken it out of the fridge, and now I'm putting it into my hand whipper, and see, I will put in some cream into my whipper. You can see it in the other picture also. It's I've taken almost half of the cream that I had with me and put it in the hand whipper. That is, say, 1.5 to 2 cups of cream has gone into this hand whipper now. And this is the secret of this dish. You're going to whip it, and you're going to whip it so much so that the cream does not remain cream and it does not become butter. Okay, it becomes something in between cream and butter. Okay, like you can see now, I've taken it out of the whipper and I've put it in a Pyrex dish here, in a glass dish here. You can see it's not cream. That viscosity, the thin viscosity, is gone, and it's not butter either. It's somewhere in between the two. This is what we need for this dish. Okay, so I have spread out a layer in my glass tray of the cream, half the cream that I had with me, almost 2 cups. Okay, and what I've started doing is I've de-seeded all the dates, de-ground them, de-seeded them, and cut them longitudinally like this. Just to show you how I've cut them, I've sprinkled them on top of that cream, or buttercream as you might call it, on top of that buttercream in my dish, and I have just shown it to you how I have cut the dates. Okay, you're going to cut them this way and just sprinkle them over the buttercream that you have in your dish now, or any type of dish that you might be using for this recipe. And here you go, the whole half kg of dates I have cut that way, de-seeded, de-ground, cut longitudinally, and sprinkled it over the top of the cream, the 1.5 to 2 cups of buttercream that I had with me. I have topped it with dates, half a kg of dates cut longitudinally. It has gone into my glass dish, and now what? This is an amazing recipe. Seriously friends, it's so amazing. No cooking, no use of stove in it, and no sugar in it, no third ingredient in it, just 2 ingredients. But you have to follow each step very, very carefully, because if you miss out on something, or if you don't do any of these steps, follow them properly, then your dessert will not come up good. Then what I have done is I've taken the because I used half of the cream, and now the other half I've taken and I have whipped it again in the hand whipper, and I have added that 1.5 to 2 cups of buttercream that I have with me now over those dates that I had in my dish. So I have covered those dates with this buttercream now. And that's a close-up to show you how the dates have cream underneath them, and there is this layer of dates above the buttercream, and on top again a layer of buttercream. See the layer of buttercream on top, and it's looking so inviting to me, at least. This buttercream in itself tastes so good. The next step is to mix the dates with the buttercream with the help of a spoon. I have taken a ladle and I have mixed it all up, as you can see, and in the bigger picture you can see clearly what shape it's going to take in my dish, in your dish rather. It has already taken this shape in my dish, and I have covered my glass dish with its cover. It's covered now. See how it looks when it's covered. And the next step is very important. Let me tell you what the next step is. Yeah, the next step is to keep this covered in the refrigerator. Well, if you keep it refrigerated overnight, it gives you the best results. If you keep it refrigerated even for 24 hours, I don't mind that. But I had 6 hours with me before I had to serve it, so I kept it refrigerated for 6 hours. The more it is refrigerated before you take it out and do the rest of the things, the procedure before serving, the better the results will be. Anyway, I had 6 hours. I refrigerated it for 6 hours. Okay. This is what it looked like after I took it out after 6 hours. I took it out after 6 hours, and you can see the buttercream has changed color a bit. I have not yet moved it in the left side of the image. You can see that I have not yet moved it. Then in the image on the right, I am moving it with the help of a spoon. I am not now moving things around. I'm moving the dates and the buttercream and shuffling things up and down. And of course, this color is changing of the buttercream. Color of the buttercream is now changing. It's becoming a little beigeish white now. So this is what will happen when you take it out after a few hours and you start mixing it. and you have to mix it. You have to do that. That is the next step. And look at the color it has taken after being mixed. And then what I have done is I have cut 2 more dates and I have sprinkled fresh dates brown, just to add that dark brown color to it. I have sprinkled the dish with those dates, and this is the shape that it has taken. The dessert is ready with you to serve now, and it's very, very delicious. It feels light, doesn't feel heavy at all, and it doesn't have any sugar in it. It only has dates and buttercream in it. Fresh cream you're going to use it to make buttercream, and that is it. These 2 ingredients and simple steps to follow. No cooking at all. A fabulous dessert. Try it. Your guests will like it. Even your guests in the hotel will like it. Your kids will love it. And all children will like it. The children of your guests will also like it. Serve it to your friends, your family, eat it yourself, give it to your kids. It can be used any way you want. This is a fabulous dessert. Okay, so the dessert is ready here for you. Dates delight. You are going to be delighted when you taste it. And do tell me after you taste it how you liked it. Do like and share the recipe, and if you are still not our family member on this channel, become our family member by just clicking the subscribe button. And of course, take care of yourself, take care of those around you, give happiness to others, and you will find happiness yourself. And do remember me in your prayers, please. Thank you.